How to create an Instagram account without anyone knowing. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can create an Instagram account without anyone knowing. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to create an Instagram account without anyone knowing, you can follow up these methods. First thing is downloading the Instagram app onto your phone, and you can just open it up onto your device. After you are on this page, all you need to do is go ahead and tap on this create a new account option. So the first thing is you need to enter up a username. So if you don't want anyone to know that you have an Instagram account, first thing is when you're choosing a username, use a username that other people won't be suspicious of that it is you. So you can just go ahead and use a random username, tap on next, and then create up a password for yourself. Once you've created up a passport, you can use up an email address and a phone number that nobody knows of in order to link your account, in order to create your account. Once that is done, that should probably help you not let other people know that you have an Instagram account. So for now, that is the method you can apply up if you want to not other people to not know that you have an Instagram account. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.